Okay, so for this question, this is question 2 of the topic 5 AFL on Pythagoras theorem. So for 4 identical larger coins and a smaller coin are arranged tangentially such that the centers of the 4 identical coins form the corners of a square. Now if the radius of each of the larger coins is 2 cm, find the radius of the smaller coin. So what we do about this question again is that what we do during the notes, right? We draw a line, and this line will be able to cut through, right? The diagonal of this square here will cut through, right? The radius of the big circle, the diameter of the small circle, and the radius of the big circle as well. Okay, so from here, right? If we know that the radius of the large circle is 2 cm, so this part is 2 and this part is 2, right? I'm going to call the radius of the small circle as or maybe just the diameter as x, right? So I'm going to call this x. Okay, so x will be the diameter of the small coin. All right, this will be the diameter of the small coin. For simplicity reason, I'm just going to call it x. Okay, now this over here would also be 2 plus 2, that's 4. This over here is basically also 2 plus 2, that's 4. From here, again, using Pythagoras theorem, I can see that, I get a very nice right-angled triangle. Okay, so from here, right there, after that, 4 square plus 4 square. So 4 square plus 4 square is equals to 4 plus x squared. 4 plus x squared. Okay, so you just have to solve this equation. On the left hand side is 32, 4 plus x squared. Okay, following each two, I need to solve for x, right? So I'm going to square root both sides. So after I square root both sides, this will be square root 32 equals to 4 plus x, and then x will be square root 32, subtract away 4. Okay, now remember you did such, right? So you can simplify this. Now square root 32 is the same as square root 16 square root 2 minus 4. Square root 16 is the same as 4. So you have 4 square root 2 minus 4. Right? Remember, this is the diameter of the small coin. Now, right, so we want to find the radius, right, of the small coin. So we got to divide it by 2. Okay, so the radius of the small coin has to be divided by 2. And this gives us 2 square root 2 minus 2. Okay, which will be option B. Okay,